One evening, Anna was playing outside when a dog suddenly bit her and ran off. She cried out, and her mom rushed to help. Her mom went to the neighbors to find out whose dog was responsible. The first neighbor said, "My dog is sweet, he doesn't bite." The second neighbor replied, "I wasn't home and my dogs were inside all day." The third neighbor said, "My dog's tiny, it wouldn't hurt anyone." But someone is lying. Can you spot her?
I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, but I don't get many likes or subscribers. Please support my channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you so much.
Take a closer look at the third neighbor's house. See the dog marks on the wall? They have a second, bigger dog. That dog bit Anna.